Hi everyone, I am Mrs.G.DHARANI, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry, A.D.M. College, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. Today we will discuss the topic nutrition. Nutrition is way our body takes and uses food. What is the difference between nutrition, hunger and appetite? This is hunger, the body natural drive for food to prevent starvation. What is appetite? We discuss to eat either that the need of food. This is the 6 guidelines of nutrition. Eat a variety of food, maintain a healthful weight. Choose a diet that is low in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol. Choose a diet with of fruit, vegetables and grain products. Use sugar in moderation. Use salt and other forms of sodium only in moderation. This is the factor influence of nutrition. First of all, we see family and friends, then media, time, money, culture and emotion. This is the 6 important nutritions of food. First of all, we see carbohydrate, fat, minerals, protein, vitamins and water. 6 nutrition food. First of all, we see carbohydrate. This is the general information of carbohydrate. Starch and sugar found in food. This is per gram for 4 calories. Body prepared energy. The carbohydrate contains 2 types. First of all, we see simple and complex. Simple, the naturally found in fruits, some vegetables and milk, also table sugar. Sugar that in yeast, fructose, lactose, sucrose, corn syrup is additional. Second type is complex. It is present in rice, seeds, nuts, etc. This is 55% to 65% recombinant, mainly complex. There are many sugar linked together, starches break down into sugar. This is the role of carbohydrate. It is converted to glucose. If not used right away, stores in muscles and liver as glycogen, then used later as glucose. What is left and not used is stored as epitose. This is called as fat. This is why people think that carbohydrate is good or not bad. This is the second essential nutrition called protein. This is the general information of protein. It is per gram for 4 calories. It is converted to fat for storage. Amino acids. There are substances that make up body protein chain of building blocks. Our body can make all but 9 of the 20 different amino acids. 9 are essential and come from food that you eat. This is the 2 types of important protein. First of all, we see complete protein, incomplete protein. Complete protein, the food that contain all essential amino acids that the body needs. For example, fish, meat, egg, milk, cheese, soya bean, etc. This is the incomplete protein, lacks some of the essential amino acids. For example, nuts, whole grains. This is the role of protein. It is mainly used to bind new body tissues, then help regulate many people process biochemical reaction, then help to hold you over longer between meals. This is the third essential nutrition, fat. This is the general information of fat. It contains per gram 9 calories, 30% or less of daily caloric intake. Gram per gram for fat deliver twice the energy that carbohydrate or protein. This is contain 2 important types, saturated fat and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats hold hydrogen atoms. Animal fats are tropical oil, beef, egg yolk and higher than fish or etc. Increased risk of heart disease. Solid at room temperature. This is the unsaturated fats. Unsaturated fats missing one or more pair of hydrogen atoms. For example, vegetable fats, olive oil, soya bean oil, corn oil. Then reduced risk of heart disease, liquid or solid or room temperature. This is the hydrogenation. Acting of missing hydrogen changes combination of trans fat. This is role of fats. Carry vitamin, vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E and finally vitamin K. Add flavor in food. Help safety hunger. Then surround and cushion organs and products from injury. This is the fourth type of essential nutrition called vitamins. Vitamins general information we see needed to perform normal body functions. Second, needed in small amount. Third one, only vitamin D manufactured in the body, the recept are supplied by the food you eat. There are 13 vitamins. Two types of vitamins present in essential nutrition. One is water soluble vitamin, then other one is soluble vitamin. First of all, we see water soluble vitamin. Dissolve in water and passes through bloodstream through digestion. Then excess amount excrete in urine. Best way to prepare food in the stream. This is fat soluble vitamin. This is second type of vitamin. Absorbed and transferred by fat. Stored in body fat tissue, liver and kidney. Excessive amount can be toxic and damage to the body. For example, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. This is function of vitamins. First of all, we see vitamin A. Vitamin A, healthy eyes, skin bone growth. Vitamin D is used to absorb the calcium and phosphorus to bind strong bone. Vitamin E products red blood cell. Vitamin K in clotting the blood. Vitamin B complex release the energy from food. Vitamin C healthy teeth and gums, wounds preventing disease. This is the water soluble vitamin. Which food to eat? Vitamin A yellow color and orange and green vegetables only present. Vitamin D milk, egg and sunlight. Then vitamin E dark green leaf vegetables. Then vitamin B complex green leaf vegetables. Then vitamin C meat, fish and citrus food. Vitamin C citrus food. Lack of vitamin cause the following disease and problem. Vitamin A night blindness. Vitamin D rickets. Vitamin E not enough O2 in the blood oxygen level. Vitamin K hemophilia. Then vitamin B complex tired and fatigue. Then vitamin C scurvy. This is essential nutrition fifth types of 1. Minerals. In organic substance that the body cannot manufacture. Calcium, potassium, sodium, iron. Calcium. It is used to strengthen to bone and teeth. Potassium keep muscles from cramping. Sodium regulate fluid in and out of the cells. Iron carried oxygen to cells. This is role of minerals. It is used to regulate body function. Breathing, for example, breathing, heartbeat, movement. This is the final essential nutrition. It is called water. This is the general information of water. Most nutrition in the body, for example, 75% of body is present in water. 8 large glasses need per day. Dehydration weakness the body and may cause muscle cramps based in winter. Average person can only live 5 to 7 days without water. This is the function of water. The water is also called as H2O, carried nutrition to the cells. Then second function is transport waste from your cell. Then enable you to swallow, digest and absorb nutrition. Then help you to cool down and prevent a build up of heat. Then finally, fruits, vegetables and milk contain about 75% of water. This is cholesterol. This is the last essential nutrition types. This is the definition. A fat-like substance produced in the liver of all animals, therefore only found in food of animal origin. For example, meat, fish, eggs, etc. This is also present in two types. One is HDL, the other one is LDL. What is meant by HDL? HDL means by high density lipoprotein. Then LDL means low density lipoprotein. High density lipoprotein want increase number of HDL. Low density lipoprotein want decrease number of LDL. Increased diet in cholesterol equal to increased risk of heart disease. This is the fiber. Found in through part of fruits, vegetables and grains, help move waste through digestive system. Then help prevent hepatitis and industrial problem. Reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. Some types help to lower blood cholesterol. Recommended 25 grams per day. Then 7 tips for weight loss. First of all, we see reduce the size, then reduce fat of 10 to 15%, then quantity protein, then water. First of all, reduce the size. Reduce the size of each meal. Do not stop eating or start skipping meals. Reduce fat to 10 to 15% of your daily diet. Do not cut in out completely. Eat quality proteins such fish, chicken, etc. Eat the majority of your daily food, for example, after 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay. Drink 1 gallon of water per day. Loss no more than 2 pounds per week. This is the types of vegetarian. Vegan. Very strict eat to animal products, including eggs and dairy products. Then semi-vegetal is the main content of vegetarian. Not receiving enough amino acids. Then second one is need to mix different vegetables and grain daily in order to reserve all the amino acids necessary. This is the eating disorder. It contains 4 eating disorders present in commonly. Anorexia nervosa. This is the first type eating disorder. Serious life-threatening disorder in which the individual refuses to maintain a minimally normal body weight. Avoid of gaining weight. Disorder of the body shape and size. Use exercise and self-starvation to keep the weight off. This is the second type, bulimia. A severe light